Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting or creating a Google Cloud project and enabling billing so APIs can be used. Once done, enable the specific Maps platform products you plan to call. This ensures console options appear. Make sure to use a real payment method even if free tier covers your usage, because the key won't work otherwise. Now head to the API and Services dashboard to begin the key creation flow. This moves you from setup into action immediately. You create the key under Credentials and copy it to a secure place. Treat it like a password. Once you have it, immediately add restrictions. Choose application restrictions appropriate to your platform and lock the key to specific APIs so misuse is limited. This step prevents quota theft and unplanned costs. After applying restrictions, save changes and test a simple request from your app or curl command to confirm the key both authenticates and only permits the intended API calls. Now validate your integration by making real requests from the intended environment and observing responses. 200 means success, 4xx or 5xx indicate configuration, billing, or quota issues. Make sure to monitor usage in Cloud Console metrics so you catch spikes early. If something goes wrong, first verify billing is active and the key's restrictions match your request origin. Next, confirm the correct APIs are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.